Good morning to all Good morning to all gathered here on this auspicious morning as we become a part of our great celebration of Independence Day of our country. Honorable Chief Guest, Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear students. Today we celebrate 79th Independence Day of our country. Today we remember and pay homage tribute to sacrifice made by the leaders and warriors, who fought for the independence of India. They sacrificed their sweat and blood so that we and our future generations may breathe the air of independence. Today we talk about independence. I want to look beyond the freedom we gained from the foreign rulers. Our grandparents fought for our political independence, but for our future generations, the meaning of independence is different. For us, real independence means freedom of thoughts, the courage of think for ourselves, to ask the questions and to stand what is right and what is wrong. Independence means the freedom from ignorance, ensuring every child gets the education that teaches not only the fact but also the values, empathy, and the critical thinking. Independence means the freedom from the inequality, where breaking the chain of discrimination, where opportunities are same for all girls, boys, poor, rich, and urban and rural also. Independence means the freedom from fear, so that every woman, children, and elders feel safe anywhere and anytime. Independence means freedom from discrimination, so that no one is judged by the caste, religion, gender, or wealth. Real independence nowadays also means self-reliance, using our skill, knowledge, and resources to make our country strong without depending on others. It means taking responsibility for our environment, our society, and our nations. We should remember that freedom is not just a right, but also a duty. If we want to be a truly independent, we must respect the rights of others, follow the law of land, and contribute to the growth of our nation. The day when every citizen has equal opportunity, when justice is the same for everyone, when harmony is stronger than the hearted, that will the day when we achieve the real independence. Until then, our journey is continuous. So, my dear friends, let us not limit the Independence Day just waving the flag or in once a year or singing an independence song loudly. Let us live independence every single day, in our thought, in our actions, and in the way we treat one another. Let us be a generation that erases poverty, end discrimination, and build the nation, where dreams have no boundaries. Remember, freedom is not given. It is earned and protected and passed on. The responsibility is now in our hands. Let us hold it with the pride and love and with courage. In the last, I share some few lines from my heart. आज़ादी का मतलब सिर्फ पंचम लहराना नहीं, आज़ादी का मतलब सिर्फ पंचम लहराना नहीं, हर दिल से अंधेरों का जख्म मिटाना है सही। जब हर चेहरा मुस्कान से रोशन हो जाए, जब हर चेहरा मुस्कान से रोशन हो जाए, तब समझो वतन ने अपनी मंजिल पाई है वही। ना भूख का साया, ना हो नफरत का रंग, हर गली में गुंजे सिर्फ एकता का संग। जब इंसानियत हर दीवार गिरा दे, जब इंसानियत हर दीवार गिरा दे, तब समझो हमने आज़ादी को सच में पाया है रंग। आज़ादी है जब सपने बेरोक उड़ाने भर सके, आज़ादी है जब सपने बेरोक उड़ाने भर सके, मेहनत से हर एक मंजिल इंसान छू सके। ना कोई डरे अपनी बात कहने से, और सच को सच कहकर सब जी सके। तो आओ अब सब मिलकर ये वादा करें, इस देश की खुशबू को सदा जिंदा रखे, मोहब्बत, बराबरी और इंसाफ का झंडा उठाए, हर दिन को आज़ादी का उत्सव मनाए, हर दिन को आज़ादी का उत्सव मनाए। थैंक यू सो मच।